Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can zoom in on your shows and movies on Netflix. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what I'm going to do is go into a show, and as you can see, I'm on Google Chrome right now on my web browser. I'm pretty sure you can do the same on the mobile phone app. It is pretty much similar. However, if it is not possible to do this on the phone app, you can use the zoom to fill function that you have on your phone, and that should work just fine. Now, as you can see, I went into a episode of Dexter, and what I want to do to actually zoom into the screen is go to the bottom right next to the full screen icon, which you can click to make it full screen. That is kind of a zoom in as well. You have this here icon which says click to zoom and then scroll to adjust. If you click it, it's going to zoom it in that far. If I click it again, it's going to zoom out. And as it said, if I use the scroll wheel, it will adjust the zoom, and that icon needs to stay on the screen. As you can see, if I stand still and start zooming after it goes away, nothing happens. But once I make it appear, use the scroll wheel, as you can see, I can zoom in very much. And to zoom out, all you have to do, just click the button again and it goes back to normal. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.